ఏప్రిల్లో ఇంతకుముందు నేను చెప్పినట్టుగా just give the dates for these programs. April 6th మనం అనుకున్నట్టుగా ఈ బీమా వైఎస్ఆర్ బీమా అమౌంట్ను లబ్ధిదారులకు ఇచ్చే కార్యక్రమం ఏప్రిల్ 6th. ఏప్రిల్ 9th జగనన్న విద్యా దీవెన. This will be the fees reimbursement amount what we would be giving to the mothers of the children, and they in turn will be paying the fees to the colleges. This is April 9th. Then April 12th or 13th ఉగాది నుంచి వాలంటీర్స్కు సంబంధించిన ఫెలిసిటేషన్ ప్రోగ్రాము స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, wherein the collectors would have to be going to every assembly segment in their purview, every day one assembly segment, and there the collectors, the SP, the MLAs, ministers, అందరూ కూడా ఇంకా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పీపుల్ ఇన్ ద కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీని కూడా వాళ్ళందరినీ కూడా పిలిచి వాలంటీర్స్ను సన్మానించే కార్యక్రమం, where you will be giving them awards of Seva Mitras, you would be giving them the awards of Seva Ratnas, you would be giving them the awards of Seva Vajras. You would be calling upon the volunteers in that particular constituency, gathering them in that particular constituency, and you will be felicitating them. So this program is going to last every day, one assembly segment, for a period of how many ever constituencies you have in that particular district of yours. So that is going to be the program. So that will be launched on Ugadi Day, and then it goes on for how many ever number of days. Every day one constituency for the collector and for the SP. You should go there, give the feeling to the volunteers what kind of good services they are giving, so that that would be the strength on which, that would be the encouragement on which the volunteers would function. Until we give them that confidence, we give them that feeling that you are important, your services are important, that would be the motivation factor for these people to function. So it's very important that the government owns them, government gives them that confidence. So that program will be launched on Ugadi Day. YSR Sunna Vaddi, that is Rabi 2019 పంటకు సంబంధించి, that is 16th April. Then YSR Sunna Vaddi self-help groups కు సంబంధించి, this is on 20th April. Then Jagananna Vasati Devana, this is going to be on 27th April. So these are the 6 programs that we've lined up for April. So వీటికి సంబంధించి కూడా ఏమేం చేయాలనో అన్ని క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి, reconfirm the figures with the officers, with HODs here, so that everything is a smooth affair. So cross check చేసుకోండి, gear up for April month. So these are 6 programs.